Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to create a public YouTube channel using your mobile device. First, open the YouTube app on your smartphone or tablet. Next, locate and tap your profile picture or initial, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select the option labeled Your Channel. You will then be prompted to confirm the Google account you wish to associate with your new channel. This is the essential first step to begin your content creation journey. Now, let's personalize your channel. You'll need to enter a unique and memorable channel name. Below that, select a distinctive handle, which acts as your channel's unique identifier. Don't forget to upload a clear and engaging profile picture. This is often the first visual impression viewers have. Finally, craft a concise yet informative channel description, telling potential subscribers what your content is all about. These steps are crucial for establishing your channel's identity. Next, we'll focus on your channel's privacy and settings. Take a moment to review the privacy options available. You can choose whether your subscriptions are visible to others or kept private. Similarly, you have control over whether your saved playlists are displayed publicly on your channel page. Make sure to save all your preferences once you've made your selections. These settings help you manage your channel's visibility and how your content is presented to the world. Congratulations, your channel is almost ready. To upload your very first video, tap the prominent plus icon, usually located at the bottom center of your screen. From the menu that appears, select Upload a Video. You can then choose a video file directly from your mobile device's gallery. Remember to add an engaging title, a detailed description, and set the video's visibility to public before publishing. This is the exciting moment your content goes live.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.